What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Today I'll be showing you how to take the brassiness out of your 613 bundles, which are blind bundles. I have 3 20-inch bundles and I have an 18-inch lace closure. This is actually for my client. This is a vendor that I am testing, so hopefully I like the hair. And that would be like one step forward to me being able to start selling bundles. You will need Shimmering Lights shampoo in order for this to work. First thing you want to do is go ahead and fill your bucket up with hot water, hot lukewarm water. And you want to fill that up as much as you want, really, just eye it. I didn't put that much water because I only have 3 bundles and 1 closure, so I filled it up about halfway. Now it's time to go ahead and add that purple Shimmering Light shampoo. This is what takes out that brassiness in your blonde bundles. And I did a second coat of the shampoo inside of the bucket. You probably don't need to do that because it does cause like a light violet tint, but I was able to get it out. But just to be safe, just do not use as much as I did. Once you pour your shampoo inside, you want to go ahead and mix everything up. I just had to remove those soap suds because they were just in the way. And I wanted to make sure y'all could see everything that I was doing, so yeah. Alright, so now it's time to dip those bundles. You want to go ahead and just dip it in there, dip it in and out a few times and run your hands through a little bit. Once you're done running your hands through and dipping in, you're just going to let your bundle sit in the water for about 5 minutes straight. This allows the bundle to really sit inside of the color and to really, soak up everything so it can take its time and process. Alright, so after your bundles have soaked, it's now time to fully shampoo. You're going to just shampoo the bundles, dip it in and out, run your fingers through it, comb it through, just to make sure the product is through every string of hair. Just to make sure, like the bundle was coated evenly throughout. And then this is the before and after. Do you guys see the difference? The bundle on the left is the one that I dipped through the Shimmering Light shampoo, and then the one on the right is how the bundles originally came. So I definitely do see a difference. Give me a thumbs up if you guys see the difference as well. The point of this process is to get rid of that yellow tone that's on the bundles. This just allows you to get like a more accurate color depending on what color you're going to do. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled everything out, rinsed it out, and started over with just clear water because now I'm going to shampoo the hair with regular shampoo and conditioner just to make sure that I got all of that purple shampoo out, because you definitely don't want to leave any of that on your hair because it could possibly still change your hair over time. And a lot of people say that it causes like a light violet tint to your hair, which I believe is true. That's also why I'm rinsing it off, because I feel like I kind of had that look to my hair, but it also went away like as soon as I started shampooing, so it's no big deal. Just go ahead and shampoo your bundles one more time with regular shampoo just to make sure you have all that Shimmering Light shampoo out. Don't forget to condition. I also went ahead and rinsed my regular shampoo out off camera as well, and this is the end result, so I definitely feel like this is totally different. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed.